What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another amazing video on how you can make money online. I hope you're able to hear me and that you heard what I just said. Pretty much this video will help somebody make money online if you want to be, or if you are rather, a Java and React engineer. The company you'll be working for is called Producement, and this is a completely international 100% remote job. You can work from anywhere in the world. Alright, let's get into it. Again, it's international, you work anywhere, it's 100% remote. And they are looking for a Java and React developer experienced in Java, Spring Boot, and React to join the core team and help us take startups to the next level. So what's in it for you besides great pay? You'll develop your technical skill set with a great tech stack. You'll get to work on new projects every 3 to 6 months and build MVPs from scratch. You'll work directly with the founding members of the startups and experience the highs and lows together with the team, because we work as tight-knit teams with the startups we invest in and build products for. You'll invest in startups through your contribution. You'll also have knowledge sharing sessions with the team on technical and non-technical topics like health and fitness, beer brewing at home, investing, and much more. Ideally, you should have a strong product development mindset, a passion for startups and lean startup methodology. If you haven't read the book, do it. Okay? I'm not sure, honestly, I'm not sure if they meant lean or learn. Okay, but either way they're saying read the book. Okay, experience with some of the following technologies: Java, Spring Boot, React or Angular JS, which is Angular JavaScript. Bonus points for experience with Kotlin, TypeScript, AWS, TDD, CI/CD. Data driven mindset, ability to set goals and targets and crush them, ability to present your ideas to relevant stakeholders. Have great communication skills and the ability to carry out customer interviews. So to develop whatever project you're working on, you need to develop the product and you need to be able to ask the customer what they have in mind so that you can better develop the product that meets their needs and the needs of the people they're trying to help. Meaning the company is building a startup, they're creating a startup, and of course they have a certain customer in mind. You meet the client's needs so that you can meet the customer's needs. Okay? And so you need to be able to carry out customer interviews to determine to determine the vision they have for the thing and how specific you can get them, how exactly you can get them to describe what the ideal is, so that you can create that product. Now, they want you to have an analytical yet creative approach to problem solving, ability to work as a team player and deliver results in a remote, cross-functional and cross-cultural work environment, and fluent English is a must. How to apply? Well, if this could be you, take this quick 15-minute test to show us what you got, and you take that test by following this link. You click that, the test pops up in another window, or another tab rather. So that's it, all there is to it. Pass the test and go straight to the interview. No need for complicated bureaucracy and CVs. Questions, email jobs@producement.com. And about their engineering culture, we follow up. My bad, this word is actually lean, not learn. Lean startup, and they're telling you to read the book because there's a book on lean startup methodology. Okay, so we follow up lean startup methodology, development by agile iterations, continuous integrations and deployments, daily releases, test driven deployment and 80% plus code coverage, pair programming on complex tasks. So what we offer: continuous learning environment, trust and freedom to work on the product, supportive and highly skilled co-workers, great culture of transparency and openness, a workplace where initiatives are highly appreciated, And a bit about them. Producement is a team of ex-TransferWise engineers who fell in love with the process of building great products. After leaving TransferWise, they started their own startup product engineering studio. Producement's mission is to help early-stage founders build and deliver scalable MVPs. So, they already told you to apply for the job, take this test. When you pass the test and go straight to the interview. No need for complicated bureaucracy and curriculum vitae. Click here, take the test. When you pass, straight to the interview. If it wasn't simpler than that, I don't know what else is. Find the link in the description. But if this is not for you and you actually don't want this job, check the other links out. They take you to information that will help you to choose a business model where you can build your own online business. You don't need to find products. You don't need to do any customer service. You don't need to answer phones. You just promote these products and you get a commission. It's called affiliate marketing. And if you click the links in the description below, they will take you to these opportunities where you can start your business with minimal overhead. Hardly any, and you can get up to speed pretty quickly because you're leveraging the power of the internet. And with the internet you can reach millions per day. So guys, check them out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know how applications for this job goes, and if you've applied to previous jobs, let me know how it went. Let me know if you got the job. Let me know if you turned it down. Not all jobs are for you, even if it's up your alley. So let me know what your experience has been. Thanks again so much. Remember, if you're looking for something that is in the Java React Engineer field, this is for you. This was posted 13 hours ago. It's completely international. So all my Indians, all my Europeans, all my South Americans, my Asians, everybody around the world, my North Americans, my South Americans, my Polynesians, you know, my Usos, let me know what you think about this role. My Caribbean people, everybody. This is open to one and all. Okay? So apply, let me know what the experience is like. Let me know if you got through. Stay safe. Peace.